Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS Grid, and we're going to learn more about the grid area property. So the grid area property, we can specify that item will cover these grid areas. And before we used names that we declared earlier, but now we don't have to declare names as well. We can use the lines to specify what areas of the grid it will cover. And this syntax is that the first parameter is a number that is the horizontal line. So it goes look at here, 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 here. And then the second parameter is the vertical line to start. So it starts at here, 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 here. And then it's the horizontal line to end, and then the vertical line to end. So horizontal starting point, vertical starting point, horizontal end, vertical end. So for this example, it will show that the area consumes horizontal from 1 to 2 and 1 to 4. So we can look at it here. If we look at it, we see that 1 and 2 horizontal, 1 and 4. So for this exercise, it wants us to have the grid area 5, item 5, between the third and fourth horizontal, so 3, and then starts from the first vertical, and then ends at the fourth horizontal line and the fourth vertical line. And we can see we have it there. Let me put the semicolon, and let me get rid of the spaces. And that'll be it. Thank you so much.